guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexia Leanne and this is your very first time here. So guys, today I am so excited to be showing you guys what I have. I have the new iPhone 12. This is the Pro Max. It is in gold and I do have the 256, so I thought I would want to unbox this with you guys so we can look at it firsthand together. Also, I'll kind of be comparing it to my 11 Pro Max that I already have, kind of showing any differences or anything like that. But before we go ahead and get started, I'm asking you guys to like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you won't miss anything. Now let's go ahead and jump into this video. So guys, again, I'm so excited for this. We're going to go ahead and take off this wrapper, and it's always so satisfying to tear off Apple labels. So guys, again, this is how it looks. Now, oh my gosh, just look at that. I'm really loving to take this out of the box. So this is the gold again. Look at that gold. Like, it probably looks more like silver on the camera, but it is gold, and I love like it's shiny on the sides. I know with this Apple iPhone that they were trying to make it look more resemble to the 4, like with the boxy, so I like that. It's more like a matte finish on the back. It's like a matte gold finish on the back, very light and subtle. But yeah, this is the Pro. So also, only thing that it comes with the charger. It doesn't come with the block this time, so you'll have to buy that. It retails for $19 at Apple, but you can go ahead and still use your old chargers as well. It just won't charge as fast. So let's go ahead and take off this piece. So again, you see my ring light, but this is how it looks. So let's go ahead and power it on. So obviously it comes with the Apple sign, so we're going ahead and loading it up. Y'all, I cannot get over how beautiful this gold is. On my other iPhone, I still have the gold. I could not switch from the gold. It says hello. So then basically you're just going to select your language. The United States. And then I'm going to go ahead and set it up. But in the meantime, I'm going to compare it to my 11. So again, this is my 11 Pro Max. Kind of go ahead and take it out of the case so you guys can see this one as well. So this is the 11. This is how this one looks again. It looks basically matte on the back, and then this is how it looks on the sides. So this one's, you know, obviously it's more boxy. It still kind of has that shine to it. And then basically the camera. So these is how it looks side by side. I wonder, can you really tell a difference? So the one on the right is my 12 Pro Max. So it looks a little bit bigger. And then from the side. So yeah. We're going to go ahead and get it set up. Then once I kind of walk through my transferring, I'll come back and kind of show you guys what the finished thing is. So be right back, guys. Well, no. Before we go ahead and get started with that, I do want to share with you guys the case I have. So this is the case I'll be using. Now this is the Spec Preciso Perfect Clear. I really like these type of cases though, because I like that they're basically really thin, and then it doesn't have like it's just one thing that you snap into place and then it protects your phone. So I really wanted this. I like that it's black because it doesn't change colors based on the clothes I wear, like jeans or anything. So I always go with my black now. I usually went with pink and things like that, the fun colors, but I always found myself buying more cases. So that is why I changed to black, and I love it. Also, I got these screen protectors. Now I get these on Amazon. I always get these for all my phones. You get 3 of them for $14. So I put these on. I'm able to put these on by myself, and then I can change them out as needed. They always have done me great, so works for me. And also this case, it retails for $45, and I just grabbed this on specproducts.com. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and get this phone kind of situated, and then I'll be back to kind of show you guys everything. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so I got everything situated. I just transferred from my phone instead of iCloud. It takes about 30 to 45 minutes to do that, and it basically just mirrors your phone and puts everything on here. But y'all, this is how it looks, and it's so beautiful. So I'm really loving this. And I put my case on. I went ahead and put my screen protector on this. So you guys, I can't wait to really play with this. I have everything on there, all my different apps and things like that. So I probably will do another video kind of showing you guys how I organize my apps and things. But if you'd like to see that, then comment below so I can see what to do next. Also, kind of want to show you guys with my case on my 11 Pro. So guys, this is my 11, and this is my 12. So again, my 12 Pro is on the left this time, and then my 11 Pro is on my right. So guys, there is a slight difference. To me, if you have the 11, then you might not want to upgrade, which is okay because it's really not major differences. Basically with the 12 Pro, the camera, you know, iPhone cameras are always enhanced with every upgrade. So I'll have to kind of play around to kind of see what's so different with this one. So you guys, I kind of want to show you my unboxing, and I'm so excited to kind of play around with it, see what all the hype is. But y'all, this pretty much sums up today's video. Again, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!